In my kitchen, this upgraded stainless steel jar opener is one of those tools I don't think about until I need it, and then I'm so glad it's there. It mounts right under the cabinet so it saves counter space and stays put, which means no digging through drawers when you've got something stubborn that won't budge. You slide the lid into the opener, let the teeth grip, and twist. So you're not relying on painful grip strength to break a tight seal. It's perfect for seniors, arthritis, weak hands, or honestly anyone who's tired of wrestling with vacuum sealed jars and slick plastic lids. And here's the part I didn't expect to use as much as I do. I keep larger acrylic paint jars in my art studio, and if you've ever had a lid get a little glued from dried paint around the rim, you know the struggle. This makes those jars so much easier to open without fighting them or straining my hands. So it's become an everyday helper for me, not just a kitchen gadget. It's all stainless steel, so it's durable, rust resistant, and there are no batteries or electronics to mess with. Plus, it installs fast with the included adhesive or screws. Simple, sturdy, always within reach, exactly how I like my everyday tools. Consistency is my standard. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work.